Mike Galimi with Race Pages Digital. Today we're going to talk about a really cool product that bolts on real easy and solves a problem that popped up in the aftermarket about 15 years ago. We're with Rick Erdman of Amazon Tuning Solutions, who's going to kind of explain what JMS has to offer. How you doing, Rick?
This is pretty good. This is the JMS PedalMAX. It's the most advanced throttle controller on the market. It's basically plug and play. You put it right in line with your throttle, and it's adjustable on the fly. And what it does, it takes out a lot of the turbo lag, it takes out a lot of the deadness in the fly-by-wire, and it helps the mid-range and the upper end on the boost. It brings it in a lot quicker the way to adjust the throttle.
It's not just for your Mustang race car, but it also applies to other vehicles.
I have it on my Mustang. It really helps my reaction times. I have it on my wife's C7 Corvette. I have it on my 17 F350. It's great on diesels.
You talk about adjusting it on the fly. What exactly does that mean?
Yeah, Mike, what you do is just basically just plug in this knob, you plug it right into the line, and what it does, you can adjust it from 0 to 100%. So in other words, if you have it on 100% and the throttle's just a little bit too touchy or too twitchy, you can back it off a little bit. You may drive different than your wife does, so you can turn it back a little bit for her. But you can basically adjust how sharp and crisp the throttle feels.
You could also combine this with other JMS products. What else can you use?
Oh, definitely. On the EcoBoost vehicles and the turbo vehicles, this with the Boost Max is just a fantastic combination.
JMS PedalMAX, you can find it at jmschip.com along with many other products like the Boost Max, wheels, and performance products from JMS and other companies, or you can contact distributors like Amazon Tuning Solutions.